Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Alex, and I'm a freelance artist and designer. Many people often ask what my day looks like, especially since I work from home today. I want to share my daily schedule with you. My routine is designed to balance creative work with personal well being. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can follow along easily and practice your English listening skills. If you listen carefully and repeat the phrases, you'll soon feel more confident using them in your own life. My day usually begins early, but never with a rush. I prefer to wake up naturally when my body feels ready. The first thing I do is get out of bed, walk to the window, and open the curtains to let the sunlight fill my room. Before checking my phone, I take 10 quiet minutes to meditate. This helps clear my mind and prepare it for the creative challenges ahead. Afterward, I go to the kitchen to make my morning drink. I don't drink coffee. Instead, I prepare a big glass of warm lemon water. I believe it helps wake up my body gently and keeps me hydrated. While I sip it slowly, I sit at my small table and write 3 things I'm truly grateful for in my journal. This small habit fills my morning with positivity and focus. Next, I take a refreshing shower and choose comfortable clothes to wear while working in my studio. My first work block is all about organization. For the first 30 minutes, I check emails, reply to clients, and make a short to-do list. I'm most productive in the morning, so I use this time for detailed design work like creating mockups or finishing vector illustrations. I work in silence to stay deeply focused, only pausing for a quick stretch and a look out the window. When it's lunchtime, I stop working completely. I usually make a simple sandwich with vegetables or warm up leftovers. If the weather's nice, I eat on my small balcony to enjoy some sunlight and fresh air. After lunch, I take a short break from screens and go for a walk to a nearby bookstore. I love browsing the shelves, reading a few pages, and chatting with the owner about new releases. It refreshes my eyes and mind. When I return, I begin my second work block. This part of the day is for creativity, drawing, sketching, or brainstorming new ideas. I play soft classical or jazz music to stay relaxed and inspired. As the day ends, I send final files to clients and tidy up my tools. Cleaning my desk helps me separate work from personal time. Evenings are my favorite part of the day. I enjoy cooking dinner and often try new recipes. Sometimes I invite a friend or family member to share the meal. We talk, laugh, and listen to music. Afterward, I make a cup of herbal tea, turn off my phone, and stay away from social media. For the last hour before bed, I read a book or draw just for fun with no deadlines. Before sleeping, I tidy the kitchen, write a short plan for the next day, and turn off the lights. I fall asleep feeling calm, grateful, and ready for another creative day. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you learned some useful expressions today and maybe found a bit of inspiration for your own routine.